light therapy session is like having a nice warm hug. You just stand in front of the light for a couple minutes and then you feel the warmth of the red light therapy. It's really very relaxing. And now, since many people are, self-isolating or avoiding unnecessary travels, and we are sometimes far away from our family members, we miss our hugs, which we used to have so often a couple years ago. So now it's a good opportunity to use red light therapy to improve our mood, our health, our wellness, and of course our looks as well, because people use red light therapy to improve their skin. So in my opinion, now is one of the best time to do red light therapy at home. And if you want to start red light therapy, I can recommend this light here. It's Mito Pro 300. Very affordable comparing to other brands, and it's powerful enough to do a full face beauty therapy. And of course help you with many other things, because you can use it in bed, you can use it on the floor doing, for instance, some therapy for your legs. You can use this light also to lying down in bed, for instance, and do on your scalp to prevent you from losing more hair. You can use this light for doing some therapy on your muscles and joints. So it's a very versatile light and the whole family can benefit from it. And the good news is that if you are not sure if it's going to work for your specific situation, because of course everybody is different and we have different problems. So the manufacturer offers 2 months of trial period, so you can get the light, test if it works for you, for your specific situation. And if it yes, that's great, keep it and use for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. But if it doesn't work for you, because no, not everything works for everyone, then of course you can return the light and they will return your money. I think it's a fair deal. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but I'm affiliated with Mito LED Lights, which allows me to offer you a discount code. So if you are interested in red light therapy devices from this company, you can get it cheaper using my name as a coupon code. And doing therapy with this kind of equipment is so easy. You basically turn the light in front of you, This model is advanced model, which has got digital controls and digital timer and extra wavelengths of light. But if you are on a budget and you would prefer something simple, then this is its sibling. It's a MOD 300. Its difference is that it's got these manual switches, which actually can be beneficial for somebody who's got a problem with dexterity and touching some digital panels may be like not very easy for them. So this is as easy as it gets. You basically stand in front of the light or sit in front of the light and press the button, and that's as simple as this. Of course, this light comes as well with a table stand included, like this. You can put it on the table and you can hang it also using a pulley system. Both lights are compatible with pulley systems, so if you prefer to have them on the wall or on the door, then of course you can mount them this way. And now it's probably one of the best times to get the therapy light, because the increased costs in deliveries from China and the problems with unloading the big containers and all sorts of disturbances in the international trade, it makes the prices going up and up. So soon that kind of lights may cost more, not because the producer raises the price, but because the cost of sending and shipping these lights from the factory to you, it may increase substantially. If you are thinking about starting red light therapy, my advice is now is probably the best time to do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends who would also benefit from this information. Check out my website, you can find link in the video description below, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.